Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn about how to understand the planets better. So, to understand the planets better, we will be reading and researching through the solar system. The solar system is very important to understand, as it is a part of how the Earth comes into alignment. Without the solar system, the planets would drift away. Our solar system consists of an average star we call the Sun, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the dwarf planet Pluto. Each part of the solar system has a unique role with many differences and similarities to each other. Through the research that your group will do today, you'll have a much better understanding of the solar system and why the stars and planets are so important. So the task that we're going to do is that I'm going to assign you guys into groups of 4, and each group will research and present their planet, and I want you guys to receive at least a 90% on the rubric. The class will split up, like I said, into the groups, and each group will be assigned. So this research that you guys will do on your planet includes distance from the Earth, length of the planet, climate, history of the name, 5 interesting facts about the planet, placement of the planet according to the sun, identify the moons, and can humans live on this planet or not? After this information is provided, choose a way of presenting this to the class. This can be including with a PowerPoint, a poster board, or any creative ideas that you have in mind. The presentation should include color, creativity, and help involve the class in it. And let's have this presentation be about 5 to 10 minutes long. And I want every single one of you to talk at least once. So after the presentation, each of you will go on to the blog and interact with one another, ask questions from the other students' planets that you may have. Here are a few research options too. I have a few websites listed that you can look through if you're having trouble finding anything. Don't be scared to ask me questions, but these are all links to awesome websites that will give you some great information on the topic. So after we research and do our assessment and figure out what these planets are all about, we are going to have you guys present, and then at the end of all the presentations, I want to have all the groups stand in order of the planets to give a visual and to close the lesson. And here is the evaluation page. So if you're a little nervous about what I want from you guys, here is the visual supports of what I want you guys to do. And then after that, we have the blog, which has the planet names. And then if you have any questions for the Mercury group, then you will ask that right here. And then Mercury group, you will respond to that question right here. And here are the credits of what I've been teaching and the SOL.